Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kristen if you're new here, and if you are new here, I'd love for you to stick around and subscribe. Today I'm just doing a quick 10-minute cleanup. I do this daily so that I don't have a ton of cleaning that I have to do at once. It really helps. So here I'm just putting away the snack box that my son was eating out of for probably 2 days. So I just wanted to get those out of the boxes and into the cabinet and get those all organized. And I don't really have a rhyme or reason for where I keep the snacks. It's just wherever they fit is where they go. So here I took out the Nutri-Greens and put them in with the peanuts. So then I just moved into the living room just for a quick cleanup, folding the blankets, putting the pillows back. I did notice that I hadn't dusted in a while, so I just grabbed the little Swiffer and started dusting. I may have the nosiest dog on the planet. Everywhere I go, she follows me and she's like, "What's up and what are you doing?" So here's when I actually realized that I had decorated for fall, but then I needed to decorate for Halloween. So I actually ended up taking down most of the fall decorations, and then I just replaced them with the Halloween stuff. And then after Halloween's over, I'll take the Halloween stuff down and put the fall stuff back up. Anybody else do that, or is it just me? I have noticed since we got rid of the wall-to-wall carpeting that there's a ton of dust that gets underneath the couches. So what I've been doing is I take the Swiffer with the extender handle on it, and then I just run it underneath the couches so that it collects most of the dust. And then when I get to vacuuming, I usually just put the little attachment on and then try to get as much as I can from underneath there. Alright, so after I vacuumed, I was pretty much done and ready to go get my son from school. If you guys do 10-minute tidies, let me know, and thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Have a great day, guys. Bye.